Well, hello there. We just got this pretty cool Dinosaur RC truck, and we are going to show you how this all works. Let's show them. Okay, so it's got an on and off switch, so we're going to turn them on. Yeah, he makes some dinosaur growling sounds. He's got these little guns that light up. His eyes light up. He is pretty boss. Okay, so that is the little dinosaur here. And I'm going to show you the remote. Has a basic on and off switch of forward, backwards, 360 to the left and 360 to the right. He has a mute sound button, so you can make him nice and quiet if you hold it down. And then he has a demo button. Another really cool thing about this robot here is that the remote runs on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, so you don't have to worry about some interference between different remotes if you have more than one RC car going, so that's really a nice feature. Another feature on the remote is during that demo coding button, that if you watch the link on their page, they show you a little bit more about how to do the coding, how to set up your own demo so you can do your own little stunts. And it's fun when you get it going, you can get it to do some little papa wheelies and things like that, but we're still trying to figure out exactly how to do that. We did learn that running it on the carpet, it's a little bit easier to control, whereas like our hardwood floors, it zips around really fast. So we did figure that out, but still a learning curve for us. We're still kind of newbies to these whole remote control cars. And this is the charge cord that comes with it. So the battery, you have to take it out. So then you press that little notch. Click it in, and then you go and plug it into the wall, and you are good to go. I can get you. My little guy's still pretty young, so he's still learning how to operate, which this is the perfect toy for him to learn with. I feel like it's pretty durable, so. Well, we hope you enjoyed our little video here about our dinosaur, and we hope your little one will enjoy this as much as we will, right, Bub?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna go learn how to drive it a little more?